In an old house with knob and tube wiring, coupled with newer wiring, voltage readings of 30 volts line to ground and 18 volts neutral to ground, while line to ground shows 120 volts, indicate potential electrical issues. Several factors can contribute to these readings. Firstly, a loose neutral connection can create a voltage imbalance. This happens because a loose connection increases resistance in the neutral path. This can cause the voltage on the neutral wire to be higher than expected, and the voltage on the line side to appear normal or slightly reduced. Secondly, an overloaded circuit can also lead to voltage drops. When a circuit is overloaded, the current draw is excessive, causing a voltage drop along the wiring. This voltage drop is more pronounced on the neutral wire due to the increased current flow, resulting in a low voltage of the receptacles. Thirdly, a defective neutral wire, if damaged or corroded, can increase resistance and cause a voltage drop, similar to a loose connection. Corrosion or breaks in the neutral wire impede current flow, leading to high neutral to ground voltage readings. Fourthly, a faulty receptacle itself could be the source of the problem. Loose or corroded connections within the receptacle can affect voltage readings. These poor connections create resistance, leading to inaccurate voltage measurements at the receptacle. Fifthly, the mixture of old and new wiring can introduce compatibility issues. Knob and tube wiring has different characteristics than modern wiring, such as insulation type and grounding practices. Splicing these systems together can create voltage irregularities due to differences in impedance and grounding. Sixthly, grounding issues are a common cause of voltage imbalances. An improper or missing ground connection can create a voltage potential between the neutral wire and the ground. This lack of a proper ground path can result in voltage readings on the neutral wire, as the neutral is not properly referenced to ground. Seventhly, reverse polarity is another potential issue. If the line and neutral wires are reversed, the voltage readings would be inaccurate and potentially dangerous. This condition can occur if the wiring was incorrectly connected during installation or repair. Eighthly, ghost voltage may also be present. Ghost voltage is a small voltage that can remain on a circuit even when switched off. This can be caused by inductive loads or other devices connected to the circuit. While usually not dangerous, it can affect voltage readings. It is crucial to remember that these voltage readings signify a potential safety hazard. The electrical codes, such as the National Electrical Code, require that the voltage between a live wire and ground should not exceed 15 volts. To address these issues safely and effectively, consulting a qualified electrician is essential for further investigation and repair. Knob and tube wiring is outdated and can present potential fire and shock hazards. Replacing it with newer, safer wiring systems is highly recommended for overall safety.